Welcome back, students. In this video we are diving into the fascinating world of animation in Figma. Up until now we just learned about some page transition, but get ready for something new, that is element transition. So I made some little animation for you. So if I click on the orders icon, the magic will happen, so please keep your eye open. So that's the little animation we made. So let's learn how to make that animation. Okay, so we have my orders page and I want to animate something on this page. So let me first add that cart icon on this page. For that I will go into plugins and icon 8. You can choose any icon you want. So let's search for cart. Okay, so I will choose this one. It has a really cool symbol inside. And remember, it has a PNG, so that's why it might seem blurry. As you can see, the edges are blurry. Okay, so let me create some pages, duplicate of these pages. Okay, so we need, I guess, 3 pages. So page 1 and page 2 and page 3. Okay, so let me rename the page first because it will get confused. So let me rename this, like, let's say my orders 1, or we can name it like anyone, like it will know, or any other person will know this is the animation. So anyone, let me copy this, paste it over here. This will be page 2, any 2. You can name it whatever you want. Animation 3, and this will be animation 4. Okay, now let's jump into prototype. But before we do that, let me delete this one first. Or we can do the one thing, like let's say, let me zoom in, and I'm trying something new. So let me put this behind, but let me increase the size. I'm holding shift and size is 125. So let me make this 125 as well. I don't know why the color is changed. This will be also 125. Okay, height should be 125 as well as same with this one. Okay, so now I can work on my animation. So let me send this to backwards and let's go to prototype. Okay, so currently we are on animation, my orders animation 1. So let me join this page. On tab it will do something, but we don't want this should be on tab. I should want after delay, and it should be animation, like we have to choose smart animation. I know in Figma it is a bit confusing because I use lots of software like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or like Filmora, basic software like Filmora. In that we get option of keyframing. So with keyframing we can do animation, but in Figma we have smart animation, and we just have to choose animation like smart animation. We don't have to add keyframes. It like decides on its own. So it is good, but if someone is beginner, like that person don't know anything about animation, smart animation, it will be a bit confusing for them. So currently navigate to animation 2, smart animate, and ease out is 300 milliseconds. But okay, let me keep 300 milliseconds, but I want this page or this thing should be over here, and this cart icon should be over here. Okay, this is gonna be my thing. So let me go and check it. Animation. Okay. Oh, okay, it is working. So let me do it again. Okay, so it is like that. But let me fix the icon. I guess it is little bit. I have to put into center. Okay, now it will work. Okay, it is working. So we made some animation over here. Now let me bring this downward. Now let me move this. Okay, so we can just like move this towards this, but in less panel you can see our image is out of frame, so we have to bring this inside frame. And if I go to design, sometime it might be clip content, so you can, like by default it will be in clip content, so you can unclick this. Okay, let me go to prototype again and let me join this. Okay, so navigate to this page, animation 3 and smart animate, and let me go into this section again, my orders. It's supposed to go this side, on the right side, so I made mistakes. Let me check what I made a mistake over here. Okay, so it is on tab. I don't want on tab, it should be after delay, so it will work now. Let me go to this section again, my orders, it should be down, and okay, got it. I put the millisecond is 1 millisecond. So let me put it 300 and let me check it again. I hope so it will work again. Okay, it works perfectly fine. But now we want this should be on this place. So we will keep it as it is and we will delete this one. And let me join this again. And it should be after delay. And animation 300 milliseconds. So let me try it again. Okay, our animation is done. Okay, so it will down, go to right side, up. Okay, that's our animation. So that's how you can do animation in Figma. I know it is a bit confusing and kind of hard to understand, but we are gonna do lots of animation in future videos, so stay tuned for that. If you want, you can rewatch this video again and again and again, so then you will get what is the smart animation and how it works in Figma. And remember the thing about the clip content. If you bring out some element outside of the frame, it will be outside of the frame. Okay, so animation 3 element is outside of the frame, but we've dragged inside. So it is the part of animation 3. So I just want to say one thing. In summary, animation in Figma revolves around a few key principles: ensuring elements have the same names, understanding the role of smart animate, and managing delays to create dynamic effect. Figma's animation capability might feel a bit chunky, but it's a small price to pay for the versatility it offers. So stay tuned for more exciting Figma adventure in the next video.